Why use association rule learning and machine learning? Imagine you're shopping and notice certain items often bought together. Maybe bread and butter are frequently purchased alongside jam. This is where association rule learning comes into play. It helps computers find these kinds of hidden links in large amounts of data without needing someone to tell them what to look for. In machine learning, there are different ways computers learn from data. One of these ways is called unsupervised learning. Unlike supervised learning, where the computer is given labeled examples, unsupervised learning looks for patterns on its own. Association rule learning is a perfect fit here because it finds relationships without prior labels or categories. Think of it as a detective searching for clues in a big pile of information. The goal is to discover rules like, if a customer buys bread and butter, they are likely to buy milk too. These rules are created based on how often items appear together in transactions. The more often they appear, the stronger the rule. To measure how good these rules are, we use three main ideas. Support tells us how many times the rule appears in the data. Confidence shows how often the rule is correct when the first part happens. Lift compares how often the second part occurs with the first versus how often it happens overall. These metrics help decide which rules are meaningful and worth paying attention to. Businesses use association rule learning a lot. Retailers analyze shopping carts to see which products are bought together. This helps them arrange items better or create targeted promotions. Websites also use it to understand user behavior, like which pages are visited together, making browsing smoother. It can even spot unusual activity in financial data that might mean fraud. But with great power comes responsibility. Using these rules to influence people or target groups without their knowledge can raise ethical questions. It's important to use this technology honestly and transparently. Understanding how association rule learning works shows us how AI can uncover patterns in data that are not obvious at first glance. It's a simple yet powerful way for machines to make sense of complex information, helping us make smarter decisions in business and technology.